Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Notion on your iPad. First, head over to the App Store and download the Notion application. Once installed, open it up and either sign in to your existing account or create a brand new one. Take a moment to explore the initial interface. You will find it intuitive. This foundational step ensures you are ready to begin organizing your digital life with ease and efficiency. Now that you are set up, let's make Notion truly yours. You can personalize each page with unique icons and eye-catching cover images to reflect your style. Organize your information effectively by utilizing Notion's powerful database features, choosing from views like tables, boards, or calendars. For even greater flexibility, create linked databases to display and manage information seamlessly across multiple pages within your workspace. To boost your productivity, master some of Notion's key features. Learning a few keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your navigation and editing tasks. Consider integrating Notion with other applications you use daily to create a more cohesive and efficient workflow. Plus, for those times you are without internet access, remember to enable Notion's offline mode so you can continue working on your important content uninterrupted. Ready to take your Notion usage to the next level? Explore advanced formulas within your databases to perform complex calculations and automate tasks. Notion is also fantastic for teamwork. Easily share individual pages or even entire workspaces with collaborators, setting specific permissions. Finally, always remember to regularly back up your Notion data. This simple step is crucial for ensuring the security and integrity of all your valuable information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.